This is the elevator at the Oakmont station, building 5 in Oakmont, Pennsylvania. It's a Schindler 330A, or early 330A, H2. Got the 2 fans on, but the cabinet's open so we can turn it off. That's cool. Here we go up. Unfortunately, it's not one of the better running 330s. Here, 2 doesn't run very well. Doesn't allow epic motor though. Come back to 1. In case the fire sign is cracked. Certificate installed in 2002. Cabinet again, emergency light. Dim, but it works. It's a basic figuring cabinet, slightly different laminate than the usual Schindler. But not that much different here, back on 1. That wasn't that's gonna get.